it's AJ, and I have here, there it is, Northweigan's number 2 challenge lock. It is called Nerve Damage. And the key is mummified. Put some shrink wrap on it, but you can still kind of get an idea what's going on there. So that being said, we're going to see if I can pick this thing. And I'm picking it in hand because the style of lock I cannot. His other one was the same. It's just I can't keep it in my vise. It just keeps falling out. So I ended up with this first one, taking it out, picking it in hand, and this one we're going to do the same. So hopefully I can pick this thing in a reasonable amount of time before my hand goes numb. Hopefully. I have to take a look at that key again. I might need a longer hook. Can't seem to get too much feeling out of this right now. Oh, I don't know if you heard that, man. All the pins were... I got really light tension going on this thing too. This other one, I bent one of the pins. At least I don't know if I did. I hope I didn't, but bottom line is it was bent, and I just feel bad, man. I hate messing up somebody's challenge lock. It's bad enough if I screw my own up, man, but somebody else's I just don't like, you know, just the way I am. Tiny bit of a false set going here. A little bit deeper now. Okay, a little deeper that time. Back down to 5 here. Oh, 4. 3, 2, 1. Something has to be binding here. Maybe I should zoom this up a little bit, kind of see what I'm doing a little bit better. Whoops. Yeah, I had everything. Zoom this up just a hair. A little bit better. Just reset it anyways. Really light tension. Little click out on 1, what's the movement? Little tiny click out on 5. There's 2. Oh, just got a little bit out of 1. A little bit of movement there. There's 2, a little tiny click on 2. Whoops. A little bit of a false set going, but I don't think it's much yet. Back that off just a hair. Just have to zoom this down. I'm trying to get a good focus on it. It's really tough. on one, another little click on two. I don't know. Shit. Whoops. Ah, damn it. Alright, I'm gonna do this over now. That sucks. I can get a long hook in there once. Ooh, now we're in a really deep full set. Awesome, that's what I was looking for apparently. Shoot, man. Just lost everything. Shit. Come on, baby. Lost everything now. Back that off just a hair. Shit. Okay, now we're back in that deep ball set. And there it is. Cool. That is sweet, man. That was a tough little lock. Probably didn't help matters having it in my hand. But okay, let's see if we can't get this out here. Spin this light around a little bit. See what he's got going on the inside of this bad boy. Okay, let's see here. Try to do this so I don't have to untape his key, but I probably will anyways when I go to repin it. Yeah, because we're already spun almost 180 degrees and I don't want to fuck it up. So I have to get this damn thing out of here somehow. Help if I can see what the hell I was doing. that. That. There's a little pin. Now, oh, there's a little spring that goes with the little pin. Didn't want to do this to you, brother, but we gotta take the tape off of this key. I'll re-tape it up. Okay. There's the key since we got her out. You see he's got engraved on there. Something. Can't see what that says. Oh, I really can't. Respect the keyhole. Oh, okay. Now it doesn't want to turn clockwise. There it goes, just a little bit. Maybe it was like that. I hope. Don't know because we didn't try the key thinking about it, so. That shim in there. There we go. And okie dokie. Let's see what we got here. Let's get this light turned that way. This, maybe you can see what I'm doing now, I hope. 1 is standard, 2 is a 2-piece pin. 2-piece key pin, that's awesome. 3 is a nice little spool. 4 is standard. 5 has got a couple nice serrations in it. And looks like a couple threads at the very beginning maybe was undercut. No, it's just like a couple light threads in the very top of that. Okay, let's see what's inside of this now. I can do this. I gotta spin this light around so I can see. Okay. One, I don't know what to call that yet. With the nice steel spring. That might be a 2-part pin, I'm not sure yet. 2 is definitely a 2-part pin with a steel spring. 3. That, I'll have to check now because that may have been something else. Okay, that was definitely 4 popped out of there at the same time. Okay, that's what I thought. That's serration. I hate when that happens, man. I'll double check before I put it back together though. And 5 is a serrated. Pull that spring out. Steel. And let's go to number 4. With the steel spring. Get over there. And number 3. With the steel spring. All the springs are the same. Let's take a look inside here real quick. Nothing has been done. Let's take a look at these pins. Key pin 1 is standard. Where are we here? There we go. That is driver 1. There's some nice tight work in that. Almost looks like a 2-parter, but I don't believe it is. No, it's some nice serrated spool, I guess I'd call that. It's that way. And there's key pin 2. You can see it's got a hole in it for the other piece of the key pin, 2-part pin. With that for the driver. Whoopsie. Glad that fell in my hand. And key pin 3. Nice little spool. With this deep spool for a driver. Key pin, where am I here? Key pin 4, sorry. And we got a nice little serrated driver there. Key pin 5. A couple nice serrations there as well. And driver 5. A couple nice serrations in there. That was a fun little lock. Now what do I do with the key? Here it is. That is northweigan. Challenge lock number 2, nerve damage. Okay, everybody. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay legal, stay lawful. Keep your picks where they belong and keep on picking.